Here are 8 different ways that you can invest your money. Number 1 is stocks. These represent actual ownership in the underlying companies, and you can buy stock in companies like Starbucks, Apple, Amazon, Boeing, almost all of your favorites. Number 2 is an ETF. This stands for Exchange Traded Fund, and it's basically a basket of stocks. So instead of buying 10 different stocks and trying to diversify and manage a portfolio, you can buy one single ETF that has all of the stocks you want inside of it. Number 3 is what's known as a REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust, and this is a special type of stock that only invests in real estate and is designed to provide cash flow to the shareholders. The 4th way to invest your money is buying actual real estate and renting it out either through Airbnb or renting it out long term. The REITs are great if you don't have the money for the down payment, but owning and controlling your own real estate is a whole nother business model. The 5th way is to invest in crypto. This could be through buying and holding Bitcoin or Ethereum. It could be through a company that's going to take advantage of blockchain, or it could be your favorite NFT. Number 6 here is bonds. This is where you lend out your money to corporations or governments in return for an interest payment every quarter or every year. Number 7 is to buy and hold actual physical gold and silver. You can buy them either as coins or as bars. Here are a couple of silver coins that have been gifted to me from over time. And number 8 is holding good old cash. Now, I know this doesn't sound like an investment, but if the markets crash, holding cash can actually be the best investment you can make. And if you can make 1 or 2% in a high interest savings account on that cash, sometimes this is actually the best alternative.